coastal regions, East Godavari, West Godavari, what you will observe there?
Plain.
Plain only. What you observe there?
Land.
What is the difference between desert place and plain? What is the difference?
Desert have sand.
Desert have sand.
Ma'am, desert will not have trees, ma'am.
Yes, desert will, very good. Desert will not have trees.
Ma'am, desert plains we have trees. So many.
Plains have
desert trees.
so many trees. Yes, desert, very good. Clap for Rakesh. Desert will not have water. And in plains we have lot of rainfall. We will get plenty of rainfall, enough to cultivate. Okay? We can cultivate different types of crops in plain regions. Whereas in desert region, can we do that? No, we can't do that in the desert region. In plain region, we can do because
They have
we have plenty of water. We can take up to 15 to 20 centimeter. We will be getting underground water there.